So I've been in this data center industry for quite a while, as a matter of fact, since 1982. And I don't look it, but over that time, I've had the opportunity to interact with a lot of data center technicians, those of you who are actually in the data center working inside that cabinet. It's given me an opportunity to see things from a different perspective, and that perspective is the day-to-day wear and tear on, not the cabinet itself, but on the individuals that work in those cabinets. And one of the traits, I always look for, if you want to see someone who's doing moves, adds, and changes in a data center, you probably want to check out their knuckles, because these guys are notorious for having scraped knuckles from being in that cabinet, digging around and having to work with sometimes hundreds of cabinets, both fiber, copper, and power cables. One of the things that we've done is we designed a cabinet that's become, I guess, a trademark or flagship for our company. We call it our T6 cabinet. And one of the features of the T6 cabinet, it's configured so the back of the cabinet provides just a skosh, that's a technical term, skosh more room, so that the individuals who are actually working in the back of the cabinet have enough room to work with those power cables, with the copper cables, with the fiber cables, without the wear and tear on their hands, but more importantly, without the confusion and clutter, because we all know that confusion and clutter in a data center cabinet can lead to errors, and that's one thing we definitely don't want. If you're one of those people that's been scraping your knuckles up, tell us about your experiences, leave your comments here. Maybe there's something that we have that might be able to help you out. Thanks.